and welcome to our channel. My name is Gian and this is my
name
wife,
is Julie.
Today is a very fun episode wherein we feature a very first installment in our vlogs to come, and we call it The Kitchen Covers. Today we are going to cover a chef's or cook's very own recipe and make it our very own. Because there are song covers or movie parodies, this portion basically does the same, but with food and cooking. Now to start it off, our first cook or chef to showcase is Marion.
For those who don't know her, she's a proud owner of her own company nationwide in Australia and of course in USA. So to give you a little background of her, she was actually one of the contestants for chef in season 2 of MasterChef Australia. You can check the link below in this description, and then you can visit her channel. You can subscribe to her channel as well to learn more cookings and to improve your cooking. So what are we waiting for? Let's get it on!
And just like a normal Filipino adobo, we use the red onion and the chopped garlic. For this version, just like Marion did it, we're using a marinade method. And for us to be able to do the marinade, we're using the soy sauce and the white vinegar instead of using cocoa vinegar, which she used on the video. And instead of just doing it for 30 minutes, we did it overnight. Also, in the process of marinade, adding pepper on the pork helps it to be tenderized. The next stop is the aromatics process. Just like how Marion did it, we added bay leaves and then peppercorns just right after mixing your marinade. Pour on your butter. And after lightly braising your pork, here is a great brown color. And that is also proof that the pork is well cooked for a next process. now we are going to start cooking the adobo. Adding in your onions on the same pan where you braised your pork will retain the flavors. This is about layering the flavors just like Marion did it. Now we're adding the onions, and then we're quickly adding the garlic as well. Doing this process, make sure that your adobo has a ton of flavor layers, and this is the first part of it. We just added the garlic and do a little shove. We're also adding salt, just like how Marion did it. Adding salt on the onions and the garlic makes it another layer of flavor. Shortly after, we're adding the pork to this process and cooking it in a little.
Super tender. One of a kind. Marions Kitchen Adobo. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. The best takeaway that I can take for myself is the layering of flavors, and it made the dish really superb. It is a must try, especially for Filipinos out there who love adobo. This is something not so ordinary. For more of our videos and for more of our upcoming vlogs, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more of our videos. I hope to see you soon. And this is the Temporosa Kitchen. Ciao.